market segmentation. See, in business, you can target one demographic, but then dig down and target an even more narrow version of it. So a market is the auto market, car buyers. Another market is the mobile device market, people who buy phones or tablets. So now, can you break it down even more? For an example, what's an SUV is market segmentation. See, an SUV is marketed more towards families instead of just any car buyer. What about the sports car market? These are for people who like to go really fast, and I don't think you're going to put your baby in the back of a sports car, but you would in the back of an SUV. So market segmentation allows you to understand that not every single Airbnb customer is going to be the one that's right for you. If you can find out what makes you special and create your own unique offering to target a segment of the market, you can capitalize on that and get a high booking percentage with those types of people. So understand that market segmentation means that you will have an advantage somewhere and then somebody else will beat you somewhere else. This is called a trade-off, and that's okay. So use market segmentation to stay clear of what your vision is for your Airbnb business and outperform everybody else in your segment.